Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how to create a new coded UI test in Visual Studio 2010. So it is just the beginning. I will upload more tutorials after you will like my beginner tutorial. So first of all, uh, I will start with how to install VSTS coded UI. So VSTS coded UI basically comes with Visual Studio 2010. So if you have a valid license for Visual Studio 2010, you can install Visual Studio coded UI. So first step which I am going to tell you about Visual Studio is how to how to run it, like how to open Visual Studio 2010. So in this, click on the start button, and if you have Microsoft Visual Studio installed, just click on that button and it will start getting run. So in this case, see my notepad file that we have opened the Visual Studio 2010. That's the first point. Now I will move to the second point. Open new project as shown in the video. So I will show you how to open a new project. This is file, new, and after that file, new, and after that the project. So this is now we if you want to open a new project in Visual Studio 2010, you have to go to the test tab, and after the test tab you have to click on the test project, and in this you can give the name like my coded UI test. So it's in caps lock. Let me change it into the different name, and it's getting by default it is getting stored into C user welcome documents Visual Studio 2010 project. So I'm not changing the location right now. You can change the location wherever you want to put it. Click on the OK button. So here you can see that a unit test is being created in the first go. So you in order to create a code, this unit test is not of use in this case, so we have to delete this unit test. So click on the delete button and delete the unit test. So it is written in the instruction, a unit test is created, now delete the unit test. So we have covered the first 4 steps. Now how to add a coded UI test I will show you in the video. So follow my instruction and add a coded UI test. Click on my coded UI test, like whatever name you have given, and click on the add button. After clicking on the add button you will see a coded UI test. Just click on that coded UI test. So here you can see that a coded UI test is created along with the references. Just a second, let me show you. Let me scroll down. It will not get scroll down. So we here it is coming as recording action. Just click on the OK button here. So you can see here a coded UI text builder has been created in which there are different functions. So first of all you will see the red button which is showing you start recording. This is the assertion button. Like if you want to see that we want to compare the two things, then you will use assertions. So I will come back to this on another video. So right now you can only see that there is a button that is called assertion button. This is a generate code button. I will show you the use of this button also, but before that let me show you the coded UI test which is being created. So here is the coded UI test which is being created. You can see this coded UI test. Now in this coded UI test you can see that there is a line written, a generate code for this test, like this. So you have to generate a code in order to proceed further. Now I will tell you how to generate a code. So as per the notepad file, we have covered the fifth and the sixth point, that is add a new coded UI test as shown in the video, and click on the record button. And after clicking on the record, like we have done it. Now I will show you how to record a particular I will say web application or anything. But here in this video I will show you how to record a particular calculator, how to start a calculator. So this is through automation coded UI test. So this is how we will start with the program. Here in the notepad it is written as click on the record button. So that is the red button. So I will click on the red button. Here you can see it is written as start recording. So before that, my calculator is already open. I will close this calculator and will show you how coded UI record this thing. So here you can see I will click on the red button, that is the start recording button, and after that I will click on the start window button, and in start window button I will click on calculator. So this is the thing which is being recorded, and I will show you the step which coded UI has taken, that is launch system root system32 calc.exe. So it is launching the exe for that calculator. So in this way the thing has been recorded. Now as I told you, there is a generate code button. So I will click on the generate code here, and it is coming as recorded method 1. So you can give any name instead of recorded method 1 because it is something generic name. We can change it as open calc. So this would be your method name, right? So and after that click on add and generate. Like this, I have clicked on add and generate button. Okay, so after this there is a method which is being created. See, open.calc, right? So this method is being created, and right now we have recorded our first control, that is how to open a calculator. So here which all steps are covered is like click on the record button, and after that, like the thing is being recorded, and click on the generate button, and after that the add and generate. So these all steps are being covered, and our first program is created in coded UI, means automation test. So after that we will close this coded UI builder in this way, and see how we will run this. Now before that I will close my calculator so that I can show you how it is getting run. So we will go in the test view. Right now there is nothing coming in the test view, so it is like we have to build the solution, because every time whenever we want to see a test method, we have to build the solution. So here we will go to build, and after that build solution. Now you can see a coded UI test method has been created. Now how it will work I will show you. Just click on just make a right click on the button and say run selection. Right now it is showing in progress. After that it has launched the calculator. See this, the calculator is being launched. So basically what we have seen is like we have launched the calculator. So the 10th, the 9th, 10th and the 11th step has been done. Now I will close the calculator. Manually, so because I will show you all the things in the next videos, but this is just the basic idea how to run coded UI, how to make a program, and how to work on it. So this is like our 13th step. Now calculator is launched. This is how we record the this is how we record in VSTS coded UI 2010. So in my next video I will share what all things are there in a particular program, in a particular automation scripts, like from classes, from methods, test method point of view, which all files are there, like UI map, UI map.designer files, and what are the function of these things I will cover in my next videos. So just wait for those videos. I will upload them in the near future. And if anyone wants to begin with coded UI, you can see this video, and it will be easy for you guys to work on this video in the next I will say in the near future. So thanks, this is Akshat, and if you have any queries, you can directly contact me regarding coded UI. My number is mentioned in the notepad file, you can see that.